Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to ChargePoint Home Smart Charging Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Look for the sign up or get started button on the home page. Click on the button to proceed to the registration page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the confirmation field. Fill in your personal information as required, including your name, address, and phone number. Select the preferred payment method for your subscription. Review the subscription options and choose the plan that best suits your needs. Complete any additional information requested, such as your vehicle make and model. Read through the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on the Submit or Create Account button to finalize your registration. You will receive a confirmation email shortly after. Open the confirmation email and click on the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, log into your ChargePoint account using your email and password. Navigate to the subscription section within your account dashboard. Follow the prompts to activate your subscription and set up your home charging station. Ensure all settings are configured according to your preferences. Review your subscription details to confirm everything is correct. And that's it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.